everyone. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to show you my current kind of go-to spring makeup look as well as my outfit for the day. So if you're interested, just keep watching. One of my favorite things to do for this time of year is incorporate illuminating products into my makeup routines, and today I'm using one of my favorites. It's the Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer by L'Oreal. Absolutely love this stuff. I mix it in with everything. Then I'm going in with my beloved tinted moisturizer by Laura Mercier. It is the one that has SPF 20 and I am currently in the shade Natural. Since this tinted moisturizer doesn't have a lot of coverage, I like to go back in and just add a tiny bit more to my cheeks because that's the area where I get the most red. Now it's time to conceal my under eyes, and you guys know that I love my Bobbi Brown corrector. Right now I'm in the shade Light Bisque, and first I go in with a corrector. I don't use this all the time, only on days where my under eyes are a little bit darker. And for concealer today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. To top off my concealer and to just kind of lighten up all of the concealing that I just did a little bit, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime in Light Boost. To set everything today, I'm using my RCMA No Color Powder. If you guys know me, you probably know that I love this palette. This is the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette, and I'm starting off with the first shade. It is Venus, and it's just this beautiful shimmery iridescent shade that gives you the most beautiful sheen to your eyelids. And I'm just taking this literally all across my eyelid all the way to my brow bone, and I'm also going to take a pencil brush in just a moment and I'm going to bring this underneath my eyes and in my inner corners as well. So you can use this as generously as you want because it's such a light shimmery shade. Now I'm taking the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Starlight, and I'm just applying it with my finger at first. I do go in and apply it with the applicator directly to my lid in just a moment, but just to start off, I'm giving myself a good base, and this shade is just so beautiful. I cannot get enough of these little liquid eyeshadows, especially for this time of year. And with these eyeshadows, I only concentrated on my eyelid. I don't bring it up any further. And I also took some of it with my Real Techniques accent brush and I placed it in my inner corners because this just really makes my inner corners pop. Now I'm taking the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Smoky Storm, and I'm doing the same exact thing, but this time I'm applying it to my finger and then I go in and apply it to my lid. And this is a glitter, but you do not have to be afraid of it because, as you can tell, it's just the most beautiful sparse glitter. It kind of makes your lid look like it's a glossy lid. So if you're like me and you really love the whole glossy lid minimal vibe but you have oily lids, you should definitely try this out. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Brow Definer in medium brown, and I'm just quickly going to fill in my brows. And this is nothing new. I do this every single time, and I kind of keep it in because I get a lot of questions about what I do to my brows, and I don't really do much to them. I just draw a line underneath in the front portion of my brow, and I kind of define the tail a little bit, and then I take the spoolie and I brush upward. And that is pretty much it. Then I go in with my Glossier Boy Brow, and I am in the shade Clear. And since this stuff can get goopy, I kind of just take my finger and I use it to get rid of the excess brow gel. For eyeliner, I'm using ColourPop's Show Me, and this is just a really pretty bronzy eyeliner. Now you guys probably know the drill if you're familiar with any of my past makeup looks. I take an angled brush and I mix the last two shades in my Naked Basics palette, but this time I'm actually using a little bit more black than the brown, and I'm making my faux wing. I just find that the faux wing works a lot better with this kind of like minimal glittery or glossy lid look, and I concentrated more on the outer portion as opposed to bringing it in all the way. I just wanted to kind of elongate my eye a little bit, but not take over all of the pretty glittery shimmery stuff we have going on our eyelids. To contour, I'm using my Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder in medium. For my bronzer, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is without a doubt one of my favorite spring and summer bronzers. The smell alone of this bronzer is just, it's worth buying. For blush, I'm using an oldie but a goodie. It is my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in Exposed. This is one of my favorite blushes, and if you do not have this blush, I 100% recommend that you go out and buy it. For highlight today, I'm using my Matte Radiance Baked Powder in Highlight 01 by Laura Mercier, and this stuff is so well used and well loved by me, you guys. It's seriously the best, like, daytime, nighttime, anytime highlight. It gives you the most beautiful sheen. I also take it on my brow bones lately, and it's not an overwhelming highlight, but it gives you the perfect amount of sheen to your face. For setting spray, I'm using my NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, and as you can see, I use a very generous amount. For lip liner, I'm using my NYX lip liner in Nude Beige, and I'm just lining my lips and just using it as an all-over base color before I apply my liquid lipstick. And today I'm using Ofra's long-lasting liquid lipstick in Rio. And I don't even know if this is the new packaging. I'm pretty sure it's the old packaging, but they still have this color. I checked. And I just think it's the perfect spring and summer kind of like pale orange color. For mascara today, I'm using my Lash Power mascara, and this is the original version. And then I go in with my Clinique Fleur de Fou Lash Power mascara to just add a little bit more volume. And finally, I'm going in with the black in this palette again and an angled brush to just tightline. And that is everything for my current go-to spring makeup look. It is very simple, very minimal, and it does give that kind of like glossy lid effect, which I really love. And now moving into my outfit for the day. First, I'm starting off with this ribbed tank top that I got from Everlane, which is super comfortable and I just can't stop wearing. And I'm pairing it with my white wide-legged pants from Everlane as well. And to go with it, I paired my nude Rosefield watch and of course my rings. For perfume, I'm wearing Glossier's You perfume, which is one of my favorites. And for earrings, I'm wearing my tortoiseshell earrings. I'll put the link to the website down below. I think these are very spring and summer. For my bag today, I'm wearing my little round woven basket bag, and I just think that this bag looks so good and springy when I wear white on white. And finally, for my sandals, I'm wearing these rope sandals that I got from Topshop, and that is everything for my outfit today and for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.